In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends to plan giveaways and contests fast and easy. Google Trends is an incredibly useful tool that shows the popularity of search queries over time, and it can provide valuable insights when planning engaging contests or giveaways. Let's dive right in and explore how you can utilize this tool to its fullest potential. First, you'll want to open your web browser and search for Google Trends. Once the results load, click on the first link, which will take you to the main Google Trends page. Here, you'll see a range of trending searches and a search bar where you can start exploring specific topics. Next, you'll direct your attention to the Explore button. This feature allows you to dive into the detailed analysis of different search terms. Now, with your contest or giveaway in mind, it's time to brainstorm some ideas. Think of potential products or themes around which you'd like to base your event. For instance, you could consider trending items like wireless earbuds, fitness challenges, or something seasonal like a holiday gift pack. Note these ideas down, as they will form the basis of your search. Once you have a list of ideas, enter your first giveaway or contest idea into the search bar. You'll then need to click on the plus compare option to add more ideas into the mix. You can compare up to 5 different ideas at once. This feature helps you understand which of your concepts are more popular than others and could give your event the best chance of being embraced by a larger audience. After entering your ideas, hit the Enter key and analyze the data presented. Focus on the graph that displays the popularity of your terms over time. To gain even deeper insights, adjust the time range. By examining data over the past 90 days, you can spot current trends, while looking over the past 12 months can highlight seasonal patterns. If you wish to identify an ever-relevant concept, looking 5 years back can help identify timeless popular topics. Scrolling further down, check out the Interest by Sub-Region section. This allows you to see which areas your ideas are most popular in. These insights are particularly helpful in targeting specific regions, maximizing the reach and engagement of your contest or giveaway. Finally, review the related queries and related topics sections. These are treasure troves of additional information. Rising queries indicate emerging trends that could add an innovative twist to your contest, while top queries reveal stable, ongoing interests that can assure sustained engagement. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to effectively using Google Trends in organizing your next big giveaway or contest. By utilizing this tool, you can bring fresh and popular ideas to your audience, increasing their enthusiasm and participation. Thanks for tuning in, and happy planning.